Welcome to Cooking and Entertaining with Lolita. Lolita will be sharing how to make good old-fashioned pork crackling or chicharron today.
Mabuhay! I'm Lolita. Today, I'm going to share a tip on how to make pork crackling or chicharron in Tagalog. Chicharron is very popular in Philippines and Mexico. In the Philippines, we eat it as a snack with vinegar. We also grind it up and put on top of the salad or noodles. I bought 2 kilos of pork fat with skin. The butcher should be able to clean the skin for you. First, put the big pot of water on the boil. Add 3 tablespoons of salt and a tablespoon of black pepper. Once the water boils, we will blanch the pork skin. This will remove some of the smell, and it will also make it easy to slice. The water now is boiling. Add the salt and black peppercorn. Next, put the pork skin into the pot and let it boil for 10 minutes. We have been blanching for 10 minutes. We'll take it out and let it cool. Now I'm going to cut this pork into bite-sized pieces. Already cut some. After we cut this, we will do the first rendering. The first rendering of fat will take 1 hour. I have finished cutting. Let's render it in a wok. I'm gonna add the cut pieces into a hot wok. Be careful, it will splatter. Cook it with low heat. I'm going to sprinkle some salt. Generally, we take an hour. Because I have a lot of pork here, I need 1.5 hours. This is what it looks like after the first rendering. Now I will put it into the refrigerator to chill it overnight. Chilling will make the pork firmer. This way, we will be able to render more fat the second time and will make the chicharron extra crispy. Hi! We're back to finish making chicharron or pork crackling. This has been in the refrigerator overnight. Now we're going to finish in 2 steps. The first step is to fry it in the oil the other day to render out more fat. The second step is to use fresh oil and then fry it again for the second time. Let's start. First, heat up the oil from the other day. Next, add new oil to the pan. About 400 ml. Heat the oil to medium heat. Put a piece in when you see the bubbles and it's ready. It's ready now. I'm going to put in the rest. Be careful, the oil may splash. Do it in batches. You can see it's starting to puff out. I'm going to take it out once it puffs. Here's the second batch. There are many steps to making great chicharron, but you will be rewarded with delicious chicharron in the end. Here's the second frying. Here's frying the second pot. Keep on frying until it's really puffed up, like this. Here's the second batch. For the final fry, it takes only 2 minutes. This is done. Homemade chicharron or pork crackling. As I said, it makes a great snack. It's also great to crush it and put it on the salad. Try it the Filipino way with some vinegar too. I hope you like today's tip. Do comment if you try this. See you next time. Bye.